Today, we're going to fix a first world problem: sweaty toilets. When a tank is cold, but the bathroom is hot, then we get condensation forming on the tank, and then water starts dripping down on the floor. It's not a biggie, but it's definitely annoying. For me, it's truly a nuisance because I got a water leak sensor there. It will definitely pick up the water and trigger the alarm in the house. Some people solve this simply by pumping hot water into the toilet tank. That works, but kind of wasteful. We're going to solve it today for under $10 using sticky foam sheets. First, tighten the water supply line. Close it to make sure no water will enter the tank. Now, flush the toilet. Try to empty it completely. We're going to use paper towel to wipe it down super dry. It has to be dry, otherwise the foam will not stick. Now, we're going to apply this foam sheet. It's super soft. All you have to do is peel out this paper to reveal the sticker and then place it into the toilet tank. And this is what the result looks like. Here, you can see that I'm primarily concerned with the side only. Why? Just because this is where water condensates and then it drips down into that water leak sensor that I have. If it condensates right here, it will just go down to this area here, and that's okay. That's not what a water leak sensor is. And now we wait for it to dry about 8 hours overnight. Alright, so I just finished showering. Let's check on the tank. Usually there would be moisture and tiny drops everywhere on the tank. But now, nothing. It feels moist, but there's not a drop of water at all. Not sure if you can see it on the camera. Alright, hopefully this video helps you with sweaty toilet tank. I really appreciate you guys subscribing to my channel, liking this video, and thanks for watching.